Why do filters wear out faster in last-mile cargo vans and trucks than other vehicles? Because few vehicles are put through the ringer like a last-mile delivery vehicle. Consider the high volume of traffic stops drivers have to make each day along their routes. Then there's the stoplights, stop signs, and heavy traffic. Conditions like these speed up the wear and tear on a vehicle's engine components, fluids, and oil filter. Accelerating too slowly in an attempt to save on fuel consumption can make the transmission and engine work harder, degrading engine oil and clogging your oil filter in the process. This in turn requires more frequent oil and oil filter changes. Idling literally gets you nowhere. In addition to reducing fuel economy and adding to pollution, it lowers oil viscosity and increases fuel consumption, which can compromise the lifespan of a fuel filter. A high number of engine start and shutdown cycles strains the internal parts of an engine, increases oil consumption, stresses oil filters, and further shortens oil change intervals. The quality of the air last-mile vehicles drive in is another factor to consider. In urban or congested environments, excessive levels of dirt and exhaust particulate can clog engine air filters, which can cause engine misfires, rough idling, hard starts, and drops in fuel economy. The dust and debris from the outside can also accumulate in the cabin air filter, causing bad airflow, poor window fog clearing, foul odors, and encourages the growth of mold, bacteria, and other allergens, leading to an unhealthy and quite possibly hazardous cabin environment for occupants. Understanding how these driving conditions can alter a vehicle's recommended maintenance schedules can help owner-operators avoid the many negative consequences of last-mile delivery. As one of the most expensive and complicated links in the shipping fulfillment chain, any measure that can help minimize repair costs, extend vehicle life, and increase uptime should not be overlooked. And changing out filters at the right time with the right premium filter for your application is one way to move profits in a positive direction. Learn more about Lubrifiner filters and how they're made to work harder for hardworking last-mile delivery vehicles at the URL on the screen.